Okay, let's talk about something that's usually a huge headache in the world of finance, building a financial model from scratch. We're going to see how a new kind of AI is completely flipping the script, and it all starts with someone who, believe it or not, knew absolutely nothing about it.
So, get this. This is a direct quote from the person who wrote the article we're looking at. Pretty wild, right? You just don't expect to hear that from someone who built an automated financial modeling tool. And that's exactly why it's the perfect place to start. It shows this isn't about being some finance genius or a coding whiz. It's about a massive shift in how we can all get work done.
And here it is, the punchline. 90 seconds. That's how long it took for this self-proclaimed rookie to generate a full, professional-grade financial model for a company. So how on earth do you go from zero knowledge to a complete model in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee? Well, let's dive in.
First things first, we got to understand the pain point this whole thing solves. For decades, financial modeling has been this incredibly manual, tedious process. It's a rite of passage for every new analyst, sure, but it's also a gigantic time sink. I mean, really think about that. For just a basic model, you're sinking several hours of your day. If it's anything more complex, you can kiss half your day or even more goodbye. Now, just imagine multiplying that by all the companies an analyst has to cover. The hours just pile up like crazy. And here's exactly why it takes so long. It is an absolute grind. You're hunting through dense annual reports, you're manually pulling out numbers, you're trying to structure your spreadsheet just right, and then you're painstakingly building formulas. One wrong cell reference, one tiny typo, and the whole thing can just fall apart. It's necessary work, but it's not where the real value is. Okay, so now for the solution. This is where we get to meet the hero of our story, a custom AI assistant that's being called a Claude skill. So, what exactly is a skill? It's actually a beautifully simple idea. You're basically creating your own little AI specialist. Instead of giving a generic chatbot the same complicated instructions over and over again, you teach it once. You give it the knowledge, you tell it the process to follow, and boom, it saves that expertise. It's ready to go whenever you need it. Now, this is the really cool part. The author didn't just tell it to build a model, they got super specific. They taught the AI where to look for the data, in this case, UK real estate investment trust filings. They taught it what numbers actually matter, and they taught it how to structure the final output in a standard DCF model. That specificity, that's the secret sauce. And here's the proof in the pudding. This isn't just some theory. The skill was asked to build a model for a real company, Derwent London, and this is what it spit out. Correct, verifiable data. All of it, in 90 seconds. This is what takes the idea from being a neat trick to a seriously powerful professional tool.
Okay, so this is the part that I personally find fascinating. How do you actually build one of these things? The source material lays it out really clearly, and you know what? It's surprisingly straightforward. This isn't about writing code, it's about giving really clear instructions. The whole process breaks down into 4 logical steps. You start by just identifying the boring, repetitive parts of your job. Then you use the tool to create the skill's basic framework. But the real heart of it is step 3, writing instructions in plain English, almost like you're writing a manual for a new hire. And finally, you test and refine it. The author mentioned the first version wasn't perfect, but with just a few tweaks to the instructions, it got there. The big takeaway here is that the quality of what you get out depends entirely on the quality of the instructions you put in. These are some fantastic practical tips from the author. Be specific about everything. Tell it exactly where to find the data, exactly what to name your Excel tabs, and even give it the exact formula you want it to use. And this is crucial. Always, always ask it to cite its sources. That's how you build a tool you can actually trust. Okay, so this brings us to the real impact. Why does automating this one task matter so much? Well, because it completely flips the script on how analysts spend their days. This right here is the 80-20 rule in action. Traditionally, analysts spend something like 80% of their time on that manual grind. The data entry, the formatting, the formula building, that only leaves 20% of their time for what they were actually hired to do. Think, analyze, and come up with real insights. With a tool like this, that whole ratio gets inverted. The AI handles the 80% of grunt work, which frees up the human to spend 80% of their brain power on high-value strategic thinking. This is the revolution. So, what does this all mean for the future of work in fields like finance or research or really any kind of analysis?
The author makes a pretty bold prediction.
Wow, that is such a powerful quote because it totally reframes the conversation. Think about it. 30 years ago, knowing how to use a spreadsheet like Excel went from being a niche skill to an absolute must-have for basically any office job. The argument here is that learning how to build and use these custom AI assistants is the new Excel. It's about to become a baseline skill, a fundamental expectation.
And that really brings it all home, doesn't it? This technology isn't some far-off science fiction idea. It's here, right now. The author, a self-described novice, proved that anyone can access it. So the barrier isn't technical skill anymore. The final question we're left with is really a challenge to all of us. The tools are ready. Are we ready to adapt and start building with them?